Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. We are doing something really exciting today, and that is recreating Emma Stone's look as Cruella in the new live-action movie from Disney. Now, if you don't know anything about Cruella, like, girl, what are you doing? But what I saw from the title and like the trailer and pictures, it's literally like the pre-story on how Cruella became Cruella. That's what I got from the trailer. I haven't seen the movie yet, so if it's not the truth, don't spoil it in the comments yet, because I do want to watch it hopefully this week. It's just I have a really busy week because most likely next Tuesday we are reopening in Germany, also retail, so that means I will go back to work the first time since December. I just hope it really happens because mama goes crazy over here, okay? Now, I do want to obviously do it in a drag version, but I bought a wig, I styled it in a similar style, and you know, I just want to capture the essence and then just make it myself. Now, if you like videos about drag, if you like videos about makeup, beauty, and unproblematic beauty gurus, then go ahead, subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the little bell so you get notified whenever I upload. And then if you have not, give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me push that video in the algorithm. I already talked about it in many videos, but it just really helps that more people see my videos. Now, I really want to thank everybody who has supported the last video. I really saw that you guys liked it, so that's why I'm doing another drag video, because for whatever reason my drag videos are doing the best. So you guys are just, you want to see man dressed as woman, and that's fine with me because that's what I'm here to do. Now let me go off camera. I will shave. I already will do my whole base because it's really all about eyes, cheek, and lip. That will be the biggest difference. And yeah, I will do that, go camera, and then I will see you in just a second. All right, now they'll be looking like this. I did my base as usual, and then I did my brows in black this time, and I did a little bit more angular, so it's a little higher than usual, and everything is a little bit more angular up because I want to really create that feline kind of like feel to it, because I feel it personally looks a little bit more evilish when I'm like, you know. Anyways, also for blush, I used Cheeky Bugger, what was a limited edition blush. Just a soft, like peachy pink, because Emma Stone doesn't really have blush on, but obviously we're doing it for drag. And I will use two shadows that are actually discontinued, just so you guys know, because obviously I try to just create that really that look and that feel what I see in this picture. And what I see when I look at it, it's like this really defined cut crease, and then very dark in the inner corner, very dark on the outer corner, very black. Yeah, and just very dramatic eye makeup. So I put a little bit of loose powder underneath my eyes to just make sure I don't get any smudging going. But the first thing we start off is with this color here. It's called Scene, and you see it's this really nice elephant gray. Like it just really, it's not too blue tone, it's not too whitish, it's like a pure gray, and it's really hard to get a hold of grays. So what I do with that, I'm just starting out to map where my crease goes, so let's jump into it. Now on an E17 brush, I'm using this one. It's called Shady. It's just a straight up black, and this is where the drama happens. So we're using it on the outer corner, and also right here in the inner corner, and connecting it. All right, before we continue, we need to remove that fallout a little bit. So I'm using a little bit of loose powder on a powder brush, and then you can just kick it off. Now on a flat brush, this is the 239, the white just underneath the brow to really keep that bright. Now on a 242 brush, I'm using a little bit of the P. Louise base. This is just an eyeshadow primer to really cut out that crease, give it a little bit more sharpness. And now on another 239 brush, I'm using this one. This is unfortunately discontinued. It's called Electra. It's a true silver, like a gunmetal silver. This will be our main shadow on the eyelid. And for the inner corner, to keep that open and lighter, I'm using just the highlighter in Glazed Donut by Ofra and kind of like get a whitish hue to the inner corner. Now with the House Labs eyeliner, I'm creating a nice fierce liner with a wing. Now on a smaller pencil brush, it's the E18. I'm using one more time the shady, the black color, and just kind of like get that transition from liner to eyeshadow smoother. Now because when I really keep it very intense, it's not intense enough, I'm using black liner in the waterline. Now to smoke out the bottom lash line, I'm using one more time the 239 brush, the tip of it in the gray first and then in the black, and smoke out the bottom. But I'm making sure that I keep that inner corner a little open and then connect it to that black, because I do want to create that inner corner open so that it doesn't just look like a black hole. Now to open that inner corner a little bit more, I'm using a liquid glitter liner. This one is a desert liner in Status Quo or Status Q, not sure how you pronounce it. And I'm going on the inner corner here and just really keep that open. Next off camera, I will quickly put on some lashes. This is Pluto lash from Bam Bam Wigs, and then also mascara and the Huge. And then we continue with lips. All right, for lips, let's go and prime our lips first. This is a new liner I have. It's the face liner from Cruella in the color 33. It's like a red. Now, Emma Stone in the movie has really small, petite lips, but I'm doing drag, so my lips will be not small. And then I'm just going in with the true red. This is the Viva Glam Sia, but any like matte red will do. I want to give it a little bit more shape, so I'm using Vino just to darken certain areas. Now that I have the lipstick on and everything, I do want to go in with a little bit more blush just here to give me a little bit more color, because, you know, now that I see the full drama of it, we need a little bit more drama. And last but not least, as always, a little bit of Fix Plus just to set everything. Alright, I will go off camera, change my outfit, my hair and everything, so you can see the final look. Alright guys, and then this is the final look of my version of Cruella de Vil. So much fun. I love recreating looks, but at the same time make it my own. So obviously I'm a drag queen, so that is a little bit of a difference, but some people might say Emma Stone and I do look like twins. Really, queen? So if you feel like that's the truth, or you just like how I look, if you like drag queens, if you like Disney, if you like me, go ahead, subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the little bell so you get notified whenever I upload. And then if you have any questions, comments or concerns, please leave them in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up, it always helps out, as you know. And then you will find all the links to my other social media in the info box. Now, I will go. I actually have a Zoom call in just a second, and I just keep it on because, yeah, I want to see if they notice a difference. I don't think so. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and until I see you next time, as always, auf Wiedersehen und bis zum nächsten Mal.